Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I have brought you the unboxing for Realme Buds T100. Now I have just got these buds and I will open these buds up in this video and I will show what's inside this box and how they look like in the first place. Now a lot of been mentioned in the box that it has active noise cancellation and also battery life is pretty good, and I have seen a lot of reviews from different YouTubers and I've decided to get these things for my daily use since I'm using an Android device, so I hope that this will work. So first of all, let's peel this thing up and open the box. So once we open the box, you can see the birds are right in front. And when we remove it, there's another box inside the first box that you get basically a charging cable and disappointment because the charging cable should have been USB C to C because now all of my charging adapters are C to C. There are a couple of booklets which show you the usage for this birds, but I don't think so many of the people would need this because everyone knows how to use them and pair them. Now if I remove this, I have got the white version with me. It is available in the yellow and black version also, in which the case is yellow and inside it is black. As you can see, it's pretty nice thing to hold. It looks like a soap, to be honest, and it's pretty nice thing to have. So if you open this, you can see the buds right inside it. The feel and ergonomics of these buds are top notch in my opinion, and they feel lightweight but they feel comfortable to hold also. And the casing and the battery life, I will have to check this before I can give any verdict about that one. Pretty similar design to other birds in the market, just like the techno birds and all that. It's getting very difficult for me to put it. So yeah, this is the unboxing and first look of the Realme Buds T100. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I will bring the full review soon. So peace out.